So this is the four links, 4-bar links, link number 1, link number 2, link number 3 and link number 4. Okay. And here if I say in the 4-bar all the dimensions of the links are not same. So there are some link, there is the smallest link, there is some link is the largest link. Here which link is the smallest? Link 1 is the smallest. Which link is the largest? Link 4 is the largest. What is the other two? O1 link 2 and O2 link 3. Now in the last class we have discussed that if the smallest link and the largest link is less than other two links, then it is a mechanism of class 1. Then it is a mechanism of class 1. If smallest link, dimension of the smallest link and is dimension of the largest link is greater than other two links, then it is a mechanism of class 2. And also we have discussed there is if a link rotates, it acts as a crank. What is the crank? Crank, it rotates 360 degree. Then that link will call it a crank. If a link oscillates, so we will call it a rocker. Rocker means some oscillations up to this. So from this end to this end it will oscillate. From here to here oscillates. So oscillates. Then that link we will call it a rocker. And in mechanism class, in the last class also we have discussed, if it is a mechanism of class 1, if it is in a then let me clear it, or rather write this side, rather write it this side. If it is a class 1 mechanism, class 1, just a minute. If it is a class 1 mechanism, then it can be a crank, it can be a crank rocker, it can be a rocker mechanism. That I am coming now. What is this rocker mechanisms? And if it is a class 2 type, then it will be only rocker mechanism. Rocker. Okay. Now let us see how this mechanism is coming. The crank, rocker mechanisms. So I am clearing this part. सुना अच्छा ना? It is audible. Now let us see. Okay, very good. Now, so this part class 2 is the rocker and class 1 crank, rocker. How? Let us see. Let us remove this part now. And this is the 4-bar chain. So this is the link number 1 and this is the link number 2 and link 3 and this is the link number 4. Suppose it is a class 1 mechanism. Suppose this is a class 1 mechanism. How? I have found that length of the 1 and length of the 4 is less than length of the 2 and length of the 3. Here. Length of the 1 smallest, length of the 4 is the largest, is less than the other two links. So it is there, less. Then this is a class 1 mechanism. Now, here, if you write, if the smallest link, is fixed, now if the smallest link is fixed, then link 2 and 4 acts as a crank. and this mechanism is called crank. What does it mean? Now here 1, 2, 3, 4 links. Which links I have fixed? 1. 1 is the smallest. If I smallest one, then link number 2. So that is the link number 2. So this will act as a crank. So this will rotate. It will be able to rotate. This will act as a crank, and this will also, link 4 also can rotate 360 degree. Both crank. So this is the link 2. Link 2 can rotate 360 degree, and link 4, this also can rotate 360 degree. That means 2 is acting as a crank, 4 is acting as a crank. Here. That means if we fix the smallest link, then the adjacent link of the fixed links will act as a crank. So okay. Now second options. Now instead of fixing link number, now let us clear it. Now so we understand, if the smallest link, now this is the one link. So this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4. Now instead of fixing the smallest link, I am fixing adjacent, माने smallest link का पास. Smallest link का पास कौन सा link है? Link number 2 and link number 4. Which links are adjacent to the smallest link? Link number 2 and 4. So if we fix 2 or 4, 2 and or 4, now मैं क्या किया, जो smallest length था, there is the smallest lengths were adjacent length. Which are the adjacent length of the smallest link? 2 and 4. Now I am fixing either 2 or 4. Now if I fix link number 2, if I now, what I have done, second case B, we are fixing adjacent link of fixed link, adjacent link of smallest link. The smallest links তার adjacent link के जे कोनो একটা, either 2 and 4. So adjacent links. That means now here we are fixing 2. Here we are fixing link 2, which is adjacent to the smallest link 1. Then link 1 acts as a crank. What does it mean? It will rotate. So link 1 will have a 360 degree rotations, and link 3 will oscillates. So that means one link is cranking and another link is oscillates, simply rocking, oscillates or rocking. Then this mechanism is called rocker mechanisms or double rocker mechanisms. Rocker. It has other names also. Rocker or double rocker mechanism. Sorry, this is a crank rocker. It is a crank rocker mechanism because one is the crank. So 1 is acting as a crank, and so this is 1 is a crank and 3 is a rocker. So this mechanism is called crank rocker. Similarly, instead of fixing 2, if we fix link number 4, then same will come. Then 1 will act as a crank and 3 will act as a rocker. Anyone, either 2 or 4, anyone you fix, the smallest link will act as a crank, and the opposite to the smallest links will act as a rocker. So that's why this mechanism is called crank rocker. Third case, Now so this is my mechanism, 4-bar chain mechanism. 1, 2, 3, 4. Smallest, this is the smallest, and this is the largest, and this is the other two. Now I am fixing this link. Now I am fixing this link. Which link? I am fixing the link opposite to the smallest link.